Hey, that boy Lil Zay Osama out there jam, man. Y'all happy to see him? Y'all glad he home? Is y'all wondering why he home? How you get a bomb for a switch and a gun in New York City? Yeah, how you do that there? But he did that there. We ain't talking about no young bleed, but how you do that there? He did that there though. But he got a bond, ain't no snitching allegations, ain't none of that there. He got a clean bond. So they say, that's what they say, so they say, what they say. Yeah. Man say he innocent man, say he ain't leave no blicky in no cab or no Uber. Ain't no fingerprints on the gun, so he say, that's what he say. But it's definitely for shit show gonna be a big question mark in a lot of folks' head. Oh hell yeah, yeah. A lot of people gonna be asking like, how the fuck did you do that dub? Nigga, you supposed to be no bond shorty. Now, just cause he got a bond, that don't mean the feds can't come back and bring him back on in. That don't mean that the feds can come back and swoop him on up. Unless, yeah, I don't think he was no federal inmate. Yeah, they ain't came here. Yeah, so yeah, they can snatch his ass right back in there. But the good news for the day on this Good Friday, Lil Zay home. Yeah, that's all that matters. Lil Zay home. He can go back to his kids, his daughter. He can go back and get into the money. Yeah, he can record. Even if he on house arrest, he still can record and make music. He can still shoot videos in the house if he's free. That's all. That's even better. If he's free, that's even better. But you know, people gonna ask that question like, how you do it? How did you do it? And what's your lawyer name? What's your lawyer name? We need to get that lawyer on deck. Say you like baseball, like on life, we on deck, baby. We on deck. We need that lawyer on deck because he can get you out of anything. He can get you out of a jail in New York City with a switch and a gun. Woo. And the Uber driver already said he was with him. Yeah, the Uber driver already said he was with him, so yeah, he a hell of a guy. But yeah, if you're going back to Chicago, if you can get up out of New York, hey, you gotta be careful because you still gonna need another gun. You still gonna need to carry it again, so you gotta be real careful. Right now, you gotta stay away from them fullies. You gotta stay away from the switches. You gotta stay away from niggas that got them. You just gotta, you know, move with security right now. You fighting the charge, it's security. Ain't no demons, ain't no steppers carrying no guns right now. Nah, ain't none of that going on. So you might want to stay away from Chicago. Yeah, don't go back there right now. Yeah, because you're fighting the charge. Like, this shit serious. So now go down south, go out west. Yeah, where you know, people are a fan of your music. They ain't trying to blow you down. So yeah, unless you don't care now, you want to be hard headed, you just demon crazy motherfucker, then handle your business. Handle your business. If you feel like you still can slide through the city, through the rack, fighting the charge and you know niggas on your ass, then handle your business. You know, you're a grown man, you know, you're a boss now, so you gotta make your own decisions. So that's what it is on that, man. What else in the news today? Oh, Diddy, he done passed Kanye. Ooh, welcome to the Billionaire Club, Diddy. I don't know if you had, I don't know what you had to do, but you've been doing all your rituals for many years, for decades. Yeah. You done used plenty of Vaseline, you done did all your rituals, you done did all your business in the music industry, you done made the hits, you done did everything you're supposed to do. So take that. You done took Kanye's spot. Take that. So yeah, you done did that now. You done did that. So you should have been a billionaire. I ain't gonna lie, you should have been, because you definitely deserve to be a billionaire because you didn't work so hard for so many years, man, centuries. Yeah, you've been working so hard, so I ain't mad at you. I don't know if it was part of the plan to take down or help take down Kanye or whatever Kanye was saying. It could be true, it could be false. But so they say. So they say now. They say that now. So, you know, celebrate. Celebrate. Get you some Ciroc, get you some Ace of Spades, get Young Miami, give you some of that sloppy toppy. You gotta get some good. You gotta get that billionaire sloppy toppy. So yeah, yeah, she'll come. She gonna do it for you. And she must got that snappy nappy dugout. Yeah, she must got that snappy nappy dugout. She got it. And I paid for it. I paid for it. Yeah, they say that Young Miami walk it's worth paying for. It's worth paying for. It's worth getting her own TV show. It's worth getting her a Maybach car. It's worth getting her some diamonds. It's worth getting her, putting her in your videos. It's worth keeping her by your side. She got it. She really got the wow. It ain't Megan, it ain't Cardi, it's Young Miami. And she didn't find her billionaire. She got with a billionaire. Ooh, it's gonna be hard for the next nigga. It's gonna be hard for the next nigga. That was a big jump. Hey, 1,000 points to the city girls. Tell us 1,000 points to Young Miami. Yeah, you gotta give it to her now. She done jumped from Southside, he a millionaire. No, Southside, he a legendary producer. And she jumped from that, a millionaire, to a billionaire. Ooh, it's gonna be hard for the next nigga. Yo, if she break up with Diddy, And she deserved to get about 2 city boys. Yeah, 2 city boys. They gotta make up for Diddy. You gotta make up for Diddy now. 2 city boys, so she can get like a. I can't say finesse 2 times because he too pimpin'. She, you know what I'm saying? He ain't going for none of that there. So must respect the finesse. So she can get like a Future and somebody else. Yeah, she can get somebody. Hell yeah, she can get some real city boys that trick on them. Yo, so congratulations for living your raps. Yeah, one thing about you, Miami, you live your raps. Yeah, so I gotta salute that. I can't never knock Young Miami now. I can't knock them now. So the city girls, they really living their raps. Now JT, she in love, but you know, sometimes it happen like that. But Young Miami, she holding it down for that city girl name, and we can't shame her because that's how she came in the game. Understand that? Real Florida shit, man. Yeah, so man, congratulations to Diddy, man. Billionaire, man. You took a spot. And no matter how you got it, you stole it, you took it, you earned it, you got it. So yeah, that's what it is, man. Celebrate, get drunk tonight. I don't know how the night gonna end for you, but yeah, get drunk tonight, eat good, and handle your business and keep going. Like, you know, it's time to get another bill. Yeah, it's time to get another bill. So I know you got something up your sleeve. Yeah. That's about it. I already got a Kodak video coming. Yeah, that Kodak shit, 5 stars. That Kodak shit, that shit so hard. I'm listening to that shit all day. But I got a video on that, so I'm gonna give him his flowers on a separate video. What else? Oh, that Money Man drop. That shit going hard. Yeah, y'all go cop that Money Man, that Blackout. You know, he don't never fail. What else, man? That's pretty much it, man, for the day. BayZoo, they say he got his charges dropped. Hey, do y'all feel like BayZoo, he just beat the charge, lack of evidence, good lawyer, or both of them shits? Or did he put it on King Von ass? Shit. Hey, BayZoo, now you know what Satan don't want you to do. Whatever you need to do to get about the situation. If you got to put it on King Von ass, you got to put it on King Von ass. Yeah, that's what you got to do. Satan says okay. Now the streets, they ain't gonna agree with it. Now the streets, they ain't gonna like it. But they don't run nothing. Satan run everything. When you ain't you a demon? Didn't you say you was who you say you was like? I forgot that movie with Tupac in. But you say you was like Tupac in that movie. Yeah. So yeah, if you gonna cut through your friends, yeah, you gotta do what Satan wants you to do. If you're gonna be a demon, you gotta care about yourself. You can't care about nobody else. It's all about yourself. Yeah. So you whatever you did, that's your business. Yeah. But if them bloggers find out, they're gonna eat you out. But if you spared under that dirt curse, if you spared, then you'll come about that situation. You see? So yeah, if you put all your trust into Satan, and like you've been doing, every little thing is gonna be alright. That's what he say now. Now God, Allah, Jesus, now you know they gonna throw little curveballs. So you gotta be real smart and like be on your P's and Q's and on your 10 toes and all that duh to dodge them and block all that duh. But yeah, cause the universe will throw them little curveballs and you gotta be able to dodge them or knock them out the park. If not, you bound to drizzle. Yeah, you bound to drizzle. That's 6 feet. That's life sentence, 20 years, 10 years. Failed rap career, which you ain't too far from that. Without the help of dirt, you ain't too far for that. You ain't too far for that now. And yeah, that's what it is on that, man.